hopefully those showers aren't going to ruin the party out there.
Yeah, it's a big weekend full of lots of events. Rock and Roll Half Marathon going on Sunday as well. Yeah. And, you know, unfortunately, there are showers in the forecast Friday, Saturday, and even into Sunday possibly, too.
Oh, boy.
As the remnants of Harvey actually head in our direction. So we're going to watch that closely, guys. Let's look at the rainfall totals from yesterday here across Hampton Roads. Told anywhere from an inch in some spots in North Carolina up to as much as 6 inches in places like Seaford. Everywhere else, kind of in between there. Chesapeake coming up at 2 3/4 of an inch. And Norfolk International recorded almost 4 inches. That was a new daily rainfall record for the date, blowing the old record from 1954 of 2 1/4 inches out of the water. So that's opened up a nice 48-hour window for us to see some nice weather here in Hampton Roads. You can see the Skyview camera behind there. The clouds already starting to part and give way to some increasing sunshine. Now, an update on Harvey. It's made its second U.S. landfall today. It's third overall in southwestern Louisiana. The first one, if you remember, way back at the beginning of last week over the Yucatan Peninsula. And then, of course, near Corpus Christi as we went into the day on Friday. But the remnants of that are going to get swept up into an incoming cold front, and that's going to push it all east and in our direction by the holiday weekend. Here's how Harvey looks on satellite imagery this morning. Still classified as a tropical storm, although the eye moving just over land now, so it'll start to weaken, thankfully, and move northwards and get swept up by that front. You can see it here moving generally off towards the north and northeast, and then as that front pushes all of that moisture off towards the east and in our area, it'll weaken significantly. We're not talking any wind. We're not talking tropical-like downpours, just clouds and the shower chances will roll on in here. We have another system to shift our focus to as we get into the next 10 to 12 days. This is Invest 93L. Very, very good chance that within the next 2 days we're going to see this named Irma. And as it tracks off towards the west, it's going to be moving into an area that's very conducive for it to continue to grow and organize and possibly strengthen to become a hurricane as we get in towards the middle parts of next week. This model takes it all the way out to Thursday of next week, seeing it's really still far away from us. If it was to have any impact on the United States, it would be next weekend and maybe even the week after that. So a long time between now and then for things to change, but we'll watch it carefully. This morning, just tracking a few isolated showers developing north over the bay and traveling south right through Virginia Beach this morning. So if you're heading out the door, you may run into a few showers there. Not a huge deal, though. The majority of the rain associated with that storm system yesterday has moved off to the north and east, opening up that window of clearing conditions for us for the next day, day and a half before our rain chances go right back up. 68 out the door right now with a dew point of 64. Everywhere else looking really good in terms of the mid-60s this morning. Very comfortable feel to the air. 64 Williamsburg, 66 now in Elizabeth City. Going through the day today, the clouds will linger for a good chunk of the morning hours before they give way to increasing sunshine this afternoon. Winds out of the north, a nice light breeze there, low humidity and comfortable temperatures. In fact, we top out around 79 with that increasing sunshine with winds out of the north, comfortable humidity levels. 67 tonight, great sleeping weather under clear skies. Those winds do pick up out of the south, though, and that pushes our numbers up into the mid-80s tomorrow ahead of a cold front that lingers and eventually sweeps up the remnants of Harvey, giving us shower chances Friday, Saturday, and even into early Sunday.